It's November 19th and exciting news. We just put out an email that our black suede boots are up for sale. So check that out. It's almost Thanksgiving next week. Christmas is coming. So you're going to want to check out our black suede beautiful boots. They're lovely. And wanted to give you a little demonstration or a little sneak peek at my little outfit here. So I call this athleisure at its best. This is a Lululemon warm-up jacket that I instruct Pilates in, and I threw it on with my Spanx leggings and our 2.0 style Pinot Noir boots, and I think I'm actually ready for an evening out here. This is absolutely beautiful. I am definitely the queen of black and white. So I love my black and white jacket. I just think it's so classy. Paired it obviously with some peeking out burgundies, reds, the Pinot Noir colors. And I just think it's a lovely outfit. So I might get in some early Christmas shopping, take off and go out. And anyway, I hope you guys check us out. We are Leviticus Fashions. A portion of our proceeds goes to help women and children get out of human trafficking. And please, please, please check that out. If you feel led to donate, it would be so wonderful. So much has gone to help these individuals, and we're just thrilled to be able to be doing this. And Christmas is coming, so please check out our boots. They are a wonderful gift. I know a lot of women that would just be absolutely thrilled to open that box Christmas morning and get a pair of our gorgeous Leviticus boots. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.